me show you a half blood knot now with an eyed hook. Straight eyed hook, you take your main line, pass it through the eye like so, pull a bit through. Now we're going to pinch the line either side of the eye, and we're going to wrap the tag end around the main line, anything up to 6 times. That's 4, 5, 6, I think, yeah. Then the tag end is going to go through this hole here. There's a gap just above the eye of the hook, so it's going to pass through there like that, and then holding the tag end, you just pull the knot down like so. Now you may have seen there the knot just slipped a little bit. There is something you can do about that. That's a standard half blood knot, but you can do one that's a half blood knot with a tuck. So before you pull it tight, that is where the tag end goes through the hole above the eye, but you can take that tag and just tuck it through there like that. That adds an extra bit of security like so, and it also means that the tag end comes out at an upwards angle rather than straight out here. Sometimes if you leave the tag on so it comes out here, particularly with smaller hooks, it can actually sort of act as a deterrent to the fish, because if they feel the end of that line like a little bristle on their lips, they'll eject the bait instantly. So the tag end it's a good idea to tuck it, because it means the tag end will come out at an upward kind of angle. So the half blood knot and the half blood knot with a tuck.